Hello! I am at the beautiful Gaylord Hotel in Nashville. You can see my surroundings are just insane where I'm at. And we're working on content around special events, weddings, and all of those different things. So if you're a wig wearer during these times, you may have a lot of questions. And one of them might be basically, if you've not worn a wig before, especially if you're gonna wear one for a special event, what are some of the things that you need to do to get prepped and ready to put on a wig? In this video, whether it's a special event or not, we're gonna talk about the things that you need to know to be able to put your wig on and be wearing it within an hour, okay? So if that's what you wanna find out about, then let's get to it. So in this video, I'm going to give you sort of the fast, quick, easy steps to be able to wear your wig. I will make sure that all of the extra information is linked. So if I'm talking about sort of prepping your hair, if I have longer videos, blog posts, additional information related to these, I will link those. This is basically the outline, the Cliff's Notes, and then we can get a little bit deeper into the areas that you need. So that way, if there's something you already know, you can kind of skip learning more about that. But if you do need to know a little bit more about another step, the resources will be linked for you below. So first and foremost, what you want to make sure is that you are prepped and ready for a wig. And that can be 3 steps depending on what your situation is with your bio hair. If you do have bio hair, you're going to either want to make sure that it is pretty flat to your head, that it is clean, that it is dry. If it's a little bit longer, you might want to braid it down. If it's sort of mid-length, when I had mid-length hair, I would just sort of pin it to the back of the low ponytail and then just flatten the ponytail and just clip it right to my head, okay? So you want to make sure that if you do not have bio hair, that your scalp is cleaned, it's prepped, it's dry, and that it's ready to go. You're gonna wanna have a wig cap. I prefer the Milano Wig Grip cap because it is a wig grip and a wig cap all in one, and it's pretty beneficial in that way. But you can use a regular wig liner, nylon, or what have you. In terms of the wig grip, I have tons of videos on the wig grip, but the long and short is how it secures is your wig grip, when you roll your finger back and forth from the wig grip, you'll either feel it be just smooth and velvety, or you'll feel sort of like a little catch. You know when you have velvet fabrics, when you move it one way, it's very smooth, and then when you go basically against the grain, you can kind of feel the difference. You want to make sure that when you have your wig grip on and you pull your finger back on the wig grip, that it is going against the grain. So that's how your wig doesn't pull off, is because it's pulling against it. If you make it so that when you put your finger back, it's smooth, then your wig can go off too. So that is step 1. You also have styling products that you're gonna wanna use. One of my big secrets is the fact that when in doubt, try water, okay? Water does so much for synthetics. Try water first, but I will put together a little bundle so that you would be just getting what you actually need to be wearing this wig, feeling secure, and all of those different things. Okay, and last but not least, do not be afraid to accessorize. So accessories not only can make your wig look as natural as possible, it can also help with security. Accessories like clips, I like those really like long alligator clips. You can clip like a little side back and have it be really cute, but it can also go up under your wig and give you an additional security. Same with headbands and anything like that. So at the end of the day, do not be afraid to accessorize. Do not be afraid to have confidence, and just lean into the wig that you are wearing. Thank you for watching this video. One of the things I love to do and I love about my job is helping. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can reach me at tia@tiamariawigs.com, or you can visit us at Tia Maria's Wig Hangout for support, not only from me, but from the ambassadors, from my assistants, from the community itself. When you visit Tia Maria Wigs, when you come to us, you are not just getting a wig, you're getting a community. And I really want to impress the fact that we do have an amazing community. So visit us online, and I'll see you soon. Bye.